Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set default browser in Android. So if you have an Android phone and you want to set or change your default browser, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set default browser on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on apps. So just scroll down and click on apps. Once you selected apps, locate and click on choose default apps. Then locate browser app, click on it. Now you have access to all your browsers app on your phone. So go ahead and select your default browser. In this case, I have the Budget Wallet, the Chrome, and then the Samsung Internet. So select your default browser and then hit the back button. Now, when you want to open any link on any application, your default browser will be set to Chrome browser and then you're good. So that is exactly how to set default browser in Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.